If the patient confirms that the cellular networks in that area are unreliable, or you simply cannot get the gateway to connect, we would need to introduce the Tenovi Gateway app. This is simply a virtual gateway that the patient would download to their smartphone via the App Store, either from the Apple App Store or the Google App Store. Download the Tenovi Gateway app. Once downloaded, open and allow Bluetooth permissions, and then once all that is done, hit the sync button. This will connect to the gateway and upload all readings via the patient's Wi-Fi connection that the phone should already be connected to. Please note, the patient will now have to hit the sync button after every reading, since the Tenovi Gateway app is not open and waiting for readings at all times as the hardware gateway is.